بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. In today's tutorial, it's a very quick tutorial that I want to show you something which is very important in advanced steel. As you see, while you are rolling over, it gives you the color and the beam and the layer. How we can add these informations that we can add some advanced steel informations. Go to tools, and after that user interface, and go to rollover. As you see, we have quick properties. We can add for quick properties also, but we just need for rollover, and I added AST beam and AST plate. So you can just click here and add what you want for beam, for what type of elements that you want, for example, to the point, grades, grating, grids, or what you want here. You can just add it, and after that click OK from here. As you see, click here from click OK from here. Okay, I have from this one, so I want to for AST beam, what I want to material, for example. I want to section class, I want to profile, I want to all of the sections, length of the section, and I want to weight for it, maybe material, or maybe a single part, assembly part. We need this on for informations also. Why we are making this? Because it gives us more speed while we are modeling. I will show you how. We can just click here, construction class, whatever you want. Okay, so just apply and okay. For example, if when I want to see this L, the length of this beam, what I do, I can just click here and go to right click, advanced properties, and go to the properties, and it gives me the L of the section is 1500. But from now, just by roll over this one, it gives you all the informations, L of the section, the weight, the profile, the section class, and assembly and single part. So it's very useful for you. So I think this tip, you'll benefit from it. And don't forget to share and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I remember you that I opened my Patreon page that you can support me. You can support me there, and this is, and you can download. Also, you can download. Sorry, some of the projects that I did in Revit or in advanced steel. This is skylight model, and this is the model of the skylight. You can download after you became this one. This is this project, and I have some other projects. This is a store that I did. This is a canopy, and this is the space frame ball connection, the mirror system, the connection of that one, and this is the silo support files. And you can download more and more files when I upload new files. So thank you very much.